In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to replace the engine air filter in this 2022 Kia Sportage. This should be the same from about 2017 to 2022, 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter engines. I'm going to be putting in a lifetime K&N filter. I will put links in the description below how you can get this filter off Amazon in just 2 to 3 days. I'll also put a link to a good paper filter that will save you a little bit of money. If you use a standard paper filter, you should probably change it about once a year. If you want to spend a little more money, put one of these lifetime ones in, really never have to change it again. Let's go ahead and get started. Now the engine air filter is right here inside this box. We're on the driver's side. What you want to do is just pull this kind of lid flap. That's going to stay on. You're going to leave that open. And now you're going to see these two tabs. In the lock position, they're up like this. In the unlock position, they're down. So just rotate them down each side. And then there should be a little pull tab right here to pull out the air filter. And now you want to take a vacuum cleaner and just vacuum out any debris that's down inside the housing. Now depending on what kind of air filter you got, you might have the turn locks. Or like this K&N has a little strap on it right here. That strap is going to want to be towards you. And we're just going to go ahead and slide it into place. Now the K&N one will fit a little bit tighter because it doesn't have those turn locks, but it will sit down in there. And then to take it out, that's why the strap is on there. And then you're just going to simply close this up and you'll hear it pop into place. And that's all there is to it, guys. You can simply do this in your own home garage. You don't take it to the dealership, and you'll have this done in under 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.